letter Z, sound Z. What a beautiful day! I'm so excited to learn and explore something new. Aren't you excited too? Look, who is here? It is Zozo. It is zebra. You guessed it right. Today we will learn Z sound. Z as in zip, zigzag and zebra, to name a few. To begin with, let's listen to a story about Zozo the zebra. Story time. Zozo, the zebra, goes to the market. He wants to buy some flowers. He sees many flowers at the shop. He loves zinnia the most. He buys 3 zinnias. He gives 1 to his mother, 1 to his father, and 1 to his little brother. Now, Zozo has 0 flowers. It was a fun story. Now, let's say the name of some things that begins with Z sound. Say the words with me. Zebra, zinnia, zero, zucchini, ziplin, zip, zigzag, zoo, zone. We learned the names of many things that start with Z sound. Now it's time for some fun activities. Let's get started. Activity time. Let's have a look at the instruction of the first activity. Say the names of the pictures aloud and color them. In this activity, we need to identify the picture, say its name and then color it. We have the first picture of zebra. Let's color it. Good. Next, we can see zinnia here. Let's color it too. Good. Now, let's have a look at the instruction of the second activity. Tick the things whose names begin with Z sound in them. We can see the pictures of zero, bell, zinnia, egg, mango, zucchini and hut. We know that zero, zinnia and zucchini begins with Z sound. So, let us tick these pictures. It was so much fun learning about Z sound and identifying things by naming them. I'm sure you will be able to identify and say the names of things aloud around you that begin with Z sound. Story time. Now, let's listen to a story about Zucchini. Zach is a happy boy. Zach likes to eat zucchini. Zucchini is yummy, says Zach. He puts it in a pan. Zap. It sizzles. Zip. It flips. Zoo. It's done. Zach eats one bite. Zesty. He says. He eats more and more. Zach eats all the zucchini. Zucchini is the best, says Zach, with a big zap, zip smile. That's all for today. I will see you soon with more sounds. Till then, take care and bye-bye.